How's it going, everyone? AJ Holmes here today, co-founder of Negative Supply. And today I wanted to share an exciting announcement with you all regarding one of the newest products from Negative Supply. That's our Basic Riser MK2, an entry-level copy stand for scanning film with a digital camera, whether you're at home, on the go, or in the studio. If you're familiar with our current lineup of products, you've probably seen this, our Basic Riser MK1 copy stand. And seeing it beside the Basic Riser MK2, it looks pretty similar, and there's very good reason for that. There's several similarities between the two, but there are a few differences as well, and I'd like to outline those for you now. First and foremost, they have about the same form factor on a tabletop. They're going to take up roughly the same surface area. But the Basic Riser MK1 copy stand has an 18-inch central column, whereas the Basic Riser MK2 has a 21-inch. One of the main reasons we did this was to give you a few more inches of clearance where you could more easily scan medium format film with longer lenses, or even scan 4x5-inch film with slightly wider macro lenses. The other primary difference is that while both of these copy stands are incredibly sturdy and stable, the Basic Riser MK2 takes that and really pushes that envelope as far as it possibly can. Utilizing a solid 1/4-inch thick aluminum base, the Basic Riser MK2 is considerably sturdier, heavier, and just a more solid product the whole way around compared to our Basic Riser MK1. They're both incredible tools, but the Basic Riser MK2, with its adaptability by using various focal lengths and scanning larger formats of film with a sturdier workflow, it makes this product better across the board. With open minds, listening ears, and a never-ending interest in constantly improving our offering of film scanning tools, we've listened to our thousands of customers scattered all across the world when they've given us feedback around our tools, and that includes our Basic Riser MK1. Two of the things we're really proud to make good on when it comes to the Basic Riser MK2 is redesigning this tool so that it more closely aligns with the design ethos of the overarching Negative Supply film scanning ecosystem. But also, one of the biggest features that we're really thrilled to roll out based on direct input and feedback from many of you is giving this copy stand more height. The 3 inches might not seem like much, but it really can be a breakthrough for, again, scanning medium format film with longer lenses, or even, yes, scanning 4x5 film, something that I love doing personally. Our Basic Riser MK2 can be purchased one of two ways. It can be purchased a la carte on its own to complement an existing setup or start a setup for film scanning, or it can be bought within several of our different basic film scanning kits. Our basic kit for scanning 35mm film, 120 film, or our complete basic kit, which features both our basic film carrier 35 and basic film carrier 120. You can find links to all these offerings down below in the description. And if you have any questions, we have answers and we'd love to hear them. Working with a wide array of digital cameras, the Basic Riser MK2 is well suited to be used with mirrorless crop or full frame digital camera bodies, as well as crop and full frame DSLR bodies. Just want to make sure that the camera and lens combination you're using aren't too large. For example, this wouldn't really be a very practical tool to use something like Fuji GFX 100 or another medium format variant, because a camera that large and heavy with that much leverage weight should probably be on something more like our ProRiser MK2 or other offerings. If you have a question about your specific lens or camera combination, send us an email or use the live chat function on our website, and we'll be happy to give you the support that you need. Mounting your digital camera onto our Basic Riser MK2 is quick and easy. Using the included 1/4-20 mounting stud, just going to line that up to the tripod thread on your digital camera and twist until everything tightens up. Take several turns, and there we go. And you can keep turning it. These knobs, they're actually designed by Negative Supply, have knurling on them where you can really kind of torque down and get the camera very tight. Check your alignment, and now we're good to go. Thanks for tuning in to this overview and introduction of our Basic Riser MK2 copy stand. If you have any questions about our Basic Riser MK2 itself or any of our film scanning kits, feel free to let us know down below in the comments via the live chat function on our website, or you can even schedule a concierge call to speak with me, Brennan, or another member of the Negative Supply team, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, shoot some film.